dear student. Myself Sakshi. I am coming from Sri Viji Vista Public School. As you know, today I am going to teach you about social science. Okay, class 10 English medium. Okay, as you all know, in previous class I also discussed about social science. Okay, that means what is social and science. As you know, two words together then made the formation of social science. What first I want to explain you what is social, then what is science. Okay, social means everything which is help you to communicate, live, survive in particular community, that is known as social or social activity, or we can say societal norms. Societal norms. Okay, everything which is help you to communicate, live, survive in particular community, that is known as social activity or social norm. And whichever present social norm, which is known as society. Okay, means if you want to go anywhere, as like you go USA. Okay, according to USA situation, you change our behavior, you change our habit, you change our food preferences, everything. Okay, that means USA society norms different from Indian society. Okay, that means society help him, you and everyone society community to live long with, communicate people with, share our any problem with any peoples. Everything is just part of society. Okay, and it's come under social. Okay, that means social cover many aspects, as like we communicate our father different manner, if I communicate our mother different manner, everyone has different role. Like if I communicate teachers, that time different norms follow, but if I communicate mother, brother, sister, that rules different. Same thing means society provides norms, rule and regulations. Okay, then next term is science. Science, everyone knows science is a very broader term itself. It is a very important concept in today's era. So science is a subject that is provide systematic and experimental knowledge which is depend upon fact, objective, etc. Means if I want to explain you science, like if I said Science is a very natural phenomena which is provide systematic and experimental knowledge which is depend on fact, objective, etc. What is meant fact? Fact means if everyone has red blood everyone has blood now? Blood. Everyone body cell have red blood cells. That means every human has red blood cells. Because of red blood cells and oxygen, it is look like red in color. That means it is never changed on earth any human bodies. That means it is a fact. It is never changed in any condition. Okay. That means science is an objective. Objective means we cannot interpret red because of my upper caste, because of my lower caste. Red means every human has red color. That means it is a fact. Understand? And it is testable. Okay. Now you can understand about better society and science. Okay. Now come to the next point. It is our introduction part. So don't worry about that. It is you're not very important point of view of exams, but you need to know each and every concept about science because it is can be asked in your papers like what is difference between social science and what is different between science. Okay, that means you know what is society and what is science, and if both are together that means social science. Okay, social science, like you can see here, I divided into many parts. It has many parts also which is not represent here because which is not covering your syllabus. Okay, that's why I am not mentioning here. Which is more important according to your syllabus, that's mentioned here. First one is history, geography, third one is politics, fourth one is economics, and fifth one is environment. Today's era, environment is a very common subject for science, for social science, for economics, everything, because environment provides you live, means it is a pipeline of your living condition, because everyone know if environment is not able to provide the oxygen, that means we cannot survive on the earth. Okay, that means environment is a very basic concept of human life. If why earth we call light planet or green planet, why? Because of here present of environment. If here not earth is not provide you environment, we can shift Mars, if we can shift Jupiter, but in our planet not present of environment, not present of water. That's why we cannot go where or and survive where. Okay, that means we cannot go Mars and live where, and that's same thing apply Jupiter. Okay, here you cannot survive because your environment is totally absent. Understand? Now we come to our point, history. What is history? As we mentioned here, study of past events, means anything which is help you to understand why we come, what was the situation in previous era, why human develop look like that time, why our language is changing, everything. If you want to know, that time you need to know about history. Means if you want to study how earth evolved or how human came into the earth, that means you need to study about study of past. Okay, history is a very broader concept and history is a very unique feature, because if history is not present, that means we cannot take any decision. Like if we know if we know anything 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, okay, it is already know. That means if I consider here 1 plus 3, that means also 4. That means it is help to you understand about 4, okay. Means history is a gave it different type of role, like how can we live in different situation. Like if anyone demotivated from our life, okay, this time many people come to that person and say, look another, and tell her or tell him a story about many people, they are many times fail in your life, okay. That means it is provide hope, decision making process, all thing is depend on history, okay. Now come to our next part of the social science, that is geography. Understand? If you have any doubts, so please message me. Any doubt you have, I will definitely try to remove. Okay. Second part is geography. Here I mention study of geographical factor on the earth such as tropic, temperate. It is a zone which is studies you in your previous class. So don't say me what is tropical region, what is temperate region. Okay, we mention after some time, but here tropical region, I think you remember now, and Himalayas, rivers, sun position, etc., which is come under geography. Geography is a very important concept to provide you identity. Like we belongs to India. What is India? India is a geographical. Sorry. How can I miss you? Means you belongs to this boundary. That means it is provide you identity. Okay. And it is also responsible for agriculture, which is very important to fulfill your hunger, satisfaction, anything which is very essential, because you know if stomach is full up, then you next thing can go. Means पहले आपको क्या पेट पूजा करनी होती है, फिर आपसे काम दूसरा होता है. That means it. Okay, that's it. And third thing is politics. We also know it is civics. Okay, don't confuse, both are same. Study of administration of particular country, rule, law, constitution, etc. Like if you want to become an PM or you want to become an president, MLA, MP, anything which has procedure. That procedure you need to follow, then you can become any services, any PM or president. That means it is provide rule, law, constitution, etc. Okay. Next, very important, I would say, because it is provide social status of the any individual. Economics, like I mentioned here, study of human behavior at the time of scarcity of resources. That means management of resources. Means if you have lot of materials, that time you distribute without any hesitation. But if you have very less number of anything, like if I have 4 chocolate, okay, but I want to distribute in 12 people, how can I distribute? I simply divide in many parts, but everyone cannot satisfy by this division. Okay, that time we need to struggle. Means that time we need to management. That scarcity means less number. Okay, That means economics is the behavior study, because if you have anything, that time without any hesitation you can give, but at the time of you have scarcity, that time you struggle. Like rich people have more wealth, but poor people have very less wealth, even many people have no wealth, etc. Okay. And next part is environment. Like I mentioned here also, environment is everything that is around us, means which is covered by environment. Like now I am covered by air and walls, light, anything which is around us, which is our environment, which include both living and non-living things. Living means here come into picture about plant, animal, anything. But non-living like air, sunlight, fan, AC, anything which is in non-living things. Okay. So now you understand better about social science and its part about history, geography, politics, civics, economic, environment. If you want to note, you can note here. I give you few seconds. You can pause here.